Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Gabby. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys my wash day routine and what products I'll be using. So please stay tuned. Lately, I have been wearing my hair in the pineapple style, and I noticed when I took my hair down, it was a little tangled. So to get started off, I'm just going to run my hair through the water because it's a little easier to detangle. So as you can see guys, I'm starting off by just using just my fingers. Now that I got most of the tangles out with my fingers, I then take my wide tooth comb to comb out the rest of the remaining tangles. I start by combing the ends and working my way to the top of my hair, and I do this until my hair is fully detangled. I like this method better guys because I do not experience a lot of shedding during my wash days. After my hair is fully detangled, I like to then put my hair into 4 sections because this way I know that my hair will be getting fully cleaned when I start to apply my cleanser. So I take my wide tooth comb and part my hair into sections and twist it just to move that part of the way until I'm ready to come back to this part of my hair when I start applying my cleanser. For my wash routines, I always use the As I Am Coconut Co-Wash. I love this product, guys. I have been using this since I started my natural journey, and it's my all-time favorite. But I'm just going to start off by applying a small portion on my hair. And as you can see, guys, I'm leaving my hair in a twist for now and just applying it on top of my hair so that I know that this section of my hair is getting fully cleansed. Now I'm going to take out one section of my hair and apply more of the product just so I know that the ends of my hair is getting cleansed as well. After that, I'm just going to retwist this section of my hair and repeat the same thing to the rest of my hair that I have left. I like doing this method better, guys, because as my hair gets longer, I find it a little harder to do. So it is easier to wash doing it this way because my hair is not in my face as much. See, I'm starting to take a looser twist, and I do this so the water can fully wash away the product out of my hair. So I'm just going to scrub and comb through my hair with my fingers, and I do this until I know that the product is completely washed out of my hair, guys. Is fully washed out from the co-wash, I'm going to use the Aussie conditioner. I love this product, guys, because my hair is always soft after using it. I like to apply a good amount of this product on my hair because I love how smooth my hair feels after I finish applying it. I also keep the same method going I have been doing from the beginning. I apply the product to the top of my hair and work my way down to the ends just so I know that my hair is getting fully cleansed. Then I twist that section of my hair and repeat the same method to the rest of my hair. To take my dimmer brush to make sure the conditioner penetrates throughout my whole head and the ends, and I do this while the conditioner sits in my hair for a few minutes. After I let the conditioner sit in my hair for those few minutes, I can now run my hair through the water and wash this product out of my hair completely. Like I said, I just scrub and comb my hair with my fingers until the product is washed away completely. I'm almost finished with my wash routine, and as you can see guys, I'm using my wide tooth comb again just to make sure my hair is smooth and all the product is out. Also, make sure to rinse your hair out with cold water at the end because it closes the cuticles and pores in your scalp. So I'm done washing the product out of my hair, and as you can see guys, why I love using these products. My curls are super defined and my hair is very smooth to comb through. I know a lot of you may question why I'm using two different products, but hey, I've been using this since I've been natural and my hair has grown tremendously. So to dry my hair, I use a Turby Twist towel that I brought from Walmart. This is my first time using it guys, and it works pretty well. I'm going to start off by parting my hair into 4 sections and twisting it. So if you have been keeping up with my videos, then you can kind of guess by now that sections are my go-to because it's easier to work around with my hair once I start applying whatever product I'm using at the time. So I'm just going to use the As I Am Double Buttercream as my leave-in conditioner. Usually I use the Cream of Nature Twist and Pudding product on my hair, but I decided to try this for the first time. But I'm noticing that it's a little thick, and I usually like products that are a little thinner. So hopefully this brings out the same effect as the other product. But as you can see guys, I'm just applying the product evenly throughout my hair, then retwisting that section all the way down to the end so the product can penetrate well. And I would do this to each section to make sure my hair has enough product. My hair is a little bit more thicker in the back than it is in the front, so I do like to use a little bit more product. And I also like to do the praying hands method on my hair because it leaves my hair feeling smooth afterwards and it's not as frizzy after doing this. Forgot to mention that since this product was pretty thick than what I'm used to, I didn't apply that much to my hair as you can see because thicker products weigh my hair down. So I mostly focus on the ends of my hair, but I am going to add a little bit more product to the top of my hair just so that it will not be dry later on when it's time to take my hair loose. But now that the product is completely applied throughout my whole head, I'm going to put on my silk scarf, but I will show you guys my full wash and go routine in another video, but thank you for watching.